somebody that you didn't trust. But to say like, okay, we're in a relationship and there's this guy who you know for a really long time, he's clean, unclean, you're not getting pregnant, and you fucked him like when you were in another country or some shit. Am I gonna sit here and really trip about it? Like, probably not. You know what I mean? But the word trust is
you're not gonna think you're gonna trip. You're gonna look back at it. Something's gonna trigger, and you're gonna be like, hold up. And it's gonna build.
You'll be cool if she fuck your friend?
No, that's like one of those areas where I'm like, don't fuck my friend.
So it has to be a stranger.
No, it doesn't have to be a stranger. Like, I can know him, but just not my friend. You know what I mean? Like, I don't have love.
I think we'll see what friends.
So you'll be cool if you like, yo, what's up, bro? You'll be cool if you shake your hand? And you just fuck the girl?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'll probably be okay. Like, if I know and everything, like, for me, I would not want to be
think about that.
You're a bigger man than me, bro.
No,
I don't know if you're a bigger man than me or you just don't give a shit.
No, think about that. I've done that.
Yeah, because I've been
That's me putting
the other end. Who's the other end?
But that's me putting my.
That's easy for you. This is the other end. I'm talking about
no,
it's
that's not easy for me. That takes everything in me.
Oh, you mean your girl? Yours girl? The dude shake your hand like you.
I have to.
No, you wasn't in an open relationship though.
No, nah.
Okay, no,
but
that's
that's woo.
But
that's the hardest shit.
The way that I came to like this thinking personally in my own experience is because I was that other guy at one point. You know what I mean? And I fucked a bunch of married frauds. You know what I mean?
You know what?
And I will say that like,
I have a rule.
There's one woman that she was married. And I'm like, you know what? Like, you should tell him. And it's not because I'm guilty. It's because he already knows.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
The thing is to me, like, I have a rule. If I shook your hand or I bring in your house, I'm not gonna fuck you.
I mean, that's great. You know what I mean?
But,
Like, give her stuff to different folks.
if you're married and you talk to me and you wanna fuck, I'm gonna fuck you. You know, that's your problem. That's not my problem.
See, that's the thing. Is back in the day, like back in my Navy days,
business
like,
marriage should show you a
down. It didn't matter.
You're not gonna fuck.
It didn't matter. But see now, I'm
but
like,
if I've been in her house and I met her husband, I'm not gonna fuck.
Like I wouldn't
Probably
think
not.
twice. I'd be like, oh shit, that's not a problem.
Respect you, man.
It happened to me a couple times.
Yeah, for me, I
But
just
on
want
the
to
other
avoid the
end of
drama.
that, I'm like, man,
I wouldn't do it now because I want to avoid the drama. Like, it's just not something I need in my life. But if I met a married couple and they were like, yo,
we're open.
we're open.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, am I going to have like some ethical...
I'm outside. You tell me to fuck your girl, I'm gonna fuck your wife.
Like,
Yeah,
cause
you're right.
the difference in it is like this. Okay, think of it like this. As you arguing with your wife all the time, there's all these problems and shit, and then like the next nigga gets the fucking cake. Like, hell no.
There's this episode of Friends, right? And I don't think I've ever referenced Friends in my fucking life. But Joey's parents, the dad was cheating on the mom, right? And he found out. So he tells the mom and he's like, yo, like, dad's cheating on you. Like, I'm so sorry. And she's like, I know. And he was like, why are you okay with this? He's like, because his guilt makes him a better husband. Like, he comes home and brings me flowers. He comes home and loves me. He comes home and spends time with me. And he thinks I don't know, but I do know. And I know that he, as a man, he just steps outside, does his thing, but he still loves me. He still takes care of me. And Joey, at the moment, he was like fucking blown away, but he accepted it. And I was like, man, do men cheat fucking often? Yeah. And we think that it's just men, but women cheat too. Like, would I rather be in a relationship?
Women cheat better than men.
Way better than
way better.
Yeah.
Women cheat way better than men.
You're too dumb to keep it going.
Yeah.
So knowing this, would I rather be in a relationship?
Like, that's why I wouldn't cheat, because
I would caught so quick.
No, I wouldn't get caught if I was doing it, because I'm smarter than that. But I'm.
I feel the technology age, everybody gets caught.
If I would cheat,
eventually,
I would just be like, yo, I'm not feeling you. I'm gonna cheat. I'm out. Peace. It's dead.
You know what? You know why?
What is the real difference between saying like I'm out and we're just not gonna have any connection and saying like, yo, I want to fuck other bitches. Can we still be cool?
Oh, man.
I tell girls that all the time.
I would. And then that maybe, you know what I'm saying?
But shouldn't there also be the option to be like, yo, I want to fuck other bitches. I do love you. I do care about you. I do like the time we spend together. I love our bond, but I want to fuck other bitches.
You know my theory
If
about
that
why
was the
girls are
case,
so much better?
I would say it.
You know why
If
girls
that
are-
was ever the case,
you know-
I'd speak up on it.
You know why girls are so much better at cheating? One, when you're dealing with, because when you're dealing with a woman, it's emotional shit. Girls want to fucking call you all the time. It takes all the time. And the thing shit like that. Girls only start buying. They call you at 12 o'clock at night. You know what I'm saying? Men, like, man, I ain't talking to her. She gonna holler at me when she wanna fuck. And that's it. When a girl wants to holler at you when they fuck, that's it. You know what I'm saying? So you have to worry about a man keep blowing up your shit. You don't worry about none of that shit. You know what I'm saying? So women is opposite. They want to text you. They bored. They want to text you. They fucking out in the club somewhere.
It really depends.
Shit like that.
There's this book called The 5 Love Languages, and it suggests that people interpret love in different ways. Like, there's quality time, acts of service, words of affirmation, which is just saying nice shit.
Yeah.
There's physical touch, and there's one fucking word. The point being, though, like, some women want quality time. Like, I had a girlfriend, she'd always be like, yo, let's spend time together. I'm like, bitch, we live together. We spend every time second together.
Yeah.
What the fuck do you mean we spend? And I didn't
Out of
understand.
the house.
But she wanted
Yeah.
quality, not time, she wanted quality time.
Yeah,
I've had
quality.
girls that
Exactly.
wanted gifts, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I didn't understand. Like me, I'm a frugal motherfucker. I don't like spending money. When I do spend money, I like quality things.
Yeah.
But I don't just buy shit so other people think I'm rich. And like, we had a lot of conversations. Like, I'm a physical person, so like, I want to hold hands and shit.
The
You know
thing
what I mean?
is,
So everybody is different.
No. That's the thing though. Like, you may think sometimes you want they want you to buy the stuff. It's just like, okay, it's one
It
thing.
depends on the person.
The thing is, one thing if you spend quality time when you're always in the fucking house. It's nothing if you when you take them out the house.
Yeah,
or
yeah,
do
yeah.
things. You have to spend
That's
money.
still quality time, though.
Exactly, but that's what they're talking about. I don't say sometimes this is one of this explore life with you, not just sitting in the four walls.
Yeah.
There's some dudes like
Quality
that.
time's quality time, though. Like,
They don't
I'm
want
saying,
that.
like,
They want
that's
more.
explaining to you the way the book does. Like, even gifts. Like, some people may like expensive gifts, whereas some people may like personal gifts. You know what I mean? Like, some people
sometimes
want
it's the
something
effort
handmade, and the reason that
effort
is
and the thinking
because the way that your parents showed you love and the way that they showed them love is how we interpret love. So, like, quality time for someone may be at home. Quality time for another person may be traveling the world. You know?
A girl, you can spend every day with this girl in your room, in your house. They want to be out there. They want
No, it depends on the person.
You can't
Some people are introverts and they want to spend time at home.
I like that. I
We
like
can't
spending-
generalize every woman and say
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
some women like going out, some women don't like going out. They want to sit and she's reading a book and you're reading a book and they're happy with it. You know what I mean? They're sitting by a fire.
But
and they're
sometimes you might take it the wrong way. They're saying, "I want to spend all the time together," and you thinking, "Shit, we here right now. We always spend time together." But when like,
I had a
me
girlfriend
personally-
that we went out all the time.
For me
She was like, I
personally-
want to spend more time together. I'm like, bitch, we go
Yes,
out like
yeah.
every other day.
For real?
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
And what she wanted was like intimate time. You know,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
we went to parties, we go to clubs,
No, I
we
ain't
go to
talking about
bars, we go to
no.
movies.
I'm not talking about parties and clubs. I'm talking
just
about
saying,
just
like,
just a walk.
We did a lot of shit outside the house.
Yeah.
Whereas she wanted time inside the house. Like there's women where I spend a lot of time inside the house, they want time outside the house. I've had girlfriends that like gifts. I've had girlfriends that like me to tell them stuff. You haven't had a girlfriend that says, don't tell me I look pretty?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
all they want is a word of affirmation. I've had women that like acts of
I
service.
just
Like,
want, I just
why
want to
didn't
know
you do the
that
laundry?
I'm that
You know what I
special
mean?
person that's making them out of the sea of everybody. Like, I want to know that I'm that motherfucker that's making them those, like, because anybody can make you laugh, anybody can make you smile, happy, sad, whatever. But I want to make sure that I'm that special person, and vice versa. You know what
I
I'm
don't need
saying?
another person to make me feel special by making them feel special. I'm special all by
I mean, I know I'm special, but
Yeah,
I
so,
want
like,
but
I don't need to feel like
but I
somebody's a
to-
special person.
But I like
I'm always a special
You know what's
person.
crazy?
But
Like my
I
girl,
know,
like I'm
I know
not
I
special
affect
friend.
people. I know I affect people. I know I stand out to people. But I want to make sure that I'm that standout person. That, like, you know, I want to feel that feeling of me. Like, you made me really just that. You know what I'm saying? That little this that text that said, hey, that. You know what I'm saying? While I'm going through it, like, I hate you. Hey, I love you. Oh shit.
Oh, Sour Patch.
That
I
shit,
call them
you know
Sour
what
Patch
I'm saying?
Kids.
Your Sour Patch Kid?
I call them Sour Patch Kids. My girl's Sour Patch. Like, they sour after first they sour, then they taste they're sweet. Yeah, that's Sour Patch.
Yeah.
But you know what thing is funny, man? When my girl, like, it's funny, man. I could buy some diamond earrings, right? It's like, oh, she'll love them. She's like, oh, I love these. You know what I'm saying? And like, I write her a letter and give it to her. Oh my gosh, she just blows up.
Yeah, because it's the thought and the time to put into
yeah, she'll talk about that letter for like 3-4 months, and she'll
Yeah.
forget about the diamond earring. She probably
Yeah.
forget where it's at.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And
you know
that's
what I'm
like how I was
Yeah.
saying, like there's in the book it explains like there's these languages but there's different dialects. You know
Yeah,
what I mean?
yeah.
It's like going to a different like the South or New York or something, and people just have different slang. You know what I mean? It doesn't mean they're not speaking English, they're speaking
Yeah.
English, it just sounds differently. So like gifts, you know what I mean? It can be something expensive. Some people like expensive gifts. Like some people just like gifts from the heart. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like some people like outside time, some people like inside time, you know, like
Yeah.
and I think that one of the most important things for me was like one, understanding what was important to me. Like I told the girl all day and I was like, fuck me, that's it. You know what I mean? You fuck me, everything else is okay. I don't give a fuck about nothing else. You cheat, I'll forgive you as long as you're fucking me.
Oh
Like,
my God.
you blow money, I'll forgive you as long as you're fucking me.
I think-
Dinner ain't done, I don't give a
if you
fuck.
take
As
the
long
time
as
to
you're fucking me.
understand, to really truly understand me, because yeah, like people listen to me, I'm crazy. People are like, here, oh yeah, but like if you take the time to like acknowledge, understand me, damn, did you hear anything I said? Did it make sense to you? And oh, it did? Oh shit! Because I'm trying to take care, like I'm trying to take time to like really put in like, damn, what is she? What would make her happy? What will make her happy? Like
You gotta understand her love language, man.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but that's the thing, though.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
I'm telling you, like once you start looking at relationships, not even just intimate relationships, but even with your friends. You know, like I have some friends, and I feel like it's happened to Billy one time. Like we have a miscommunication about something, and like after I read that book, I could look back at those situations and be like, man, that person just needed some words of affirmation. That person just needed some quality time. That person just needed a hug, and because I didn't interpret like how they perceive love, I'm trying to show them love the way I think that, you know, I'm like, let me give you a hug, and they're like, man, I don't need a hug, like I need a card, you know what I mean? Like, they're not going to say that, because they might not even know that about themselves yet, but like in retrospect, I can look back and say like, damn, so like now as I build friendships, as I build relationships, even in business or whatever it is, like I try and like see how people are giving and receiving love, and I'm like, that person, like, you know, for when they come home, like, oh, that's a nice shirt, Jose. And he's like, yeah, thanks, I really appreciate that. Whereas if I told Rico that's a nice shirt, he might be like, oh, what the fuck, I don't give a fuck. But if I give him a high five, you're just talking about high five. Like, for you might be like, yeah, that's what's up. You know, fuck the shirt, fuck what I look like, but I like high fives, I like physical contact. And like once you understand those things, like it makes like interaction with people so much more smooth.
Yeah, that's preach.
I'm telling you, like, you should read that book. Get your wife a copy. It's only like 130 pages. The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman or Chaplin. It's only like 130 pages. I don't read a lot of love books, but that is, like, for me, I was like, I get it, I got it. Like, I'm never gonna fuck up a relationship again. Like,
indeed you did. How did you know I would strike you?
I'll be lying.
This is another night of when niggas talk about bitches. Here with you, Rico.
Absolutely perfectly.
Great night, guys. First night of shooting, we did great. Jose, thanks for joining, man. You know what I'm saying? We're out.